World peace is a big concept. Everyone looks for it, but we often don't know how to achieve it. Everyone talks about peace, from world leaders to beauty pageant contestants to kindergarten children. Everyone says they want it, but what does peace mean to you and me? We all have busy lives. We have careers, families, bills to pay, and there's never enough time in a day. We get so wrapped up in the pressures of everyday life that we have forgotten how to find that inner peace. We may try to find it in holidays, movies, shopping or sport. But the relief is only temporary. It is only when we have inner peace that we can even dream of world peace. Many people throughout history have achieved this seemingly elusive peace by learning how to get in touch with their inner selves. This shows that lasting happiness and peace is possible if we only know how to find it. If we haven't yet found the solution, why not follow the footsteps of someone who has? One such visionary is His Eminence Tsem Tulku Rinpoche, who gently guides us to achieve inner peace by following time-proven methods of developing selflessness and care for others. Through spontaneous and creative methods, he brings the simple yet profound wisdom of an ancient philosophy into our modern, busy world. This philosophy transcends all color or creed, providing tools that we can all apply, whatever our culture, background, race or religion. His Eminence is a High Lama from the illustrious Ganden Shatse Monastery of South India, where the philosophy of kindness, wisdom and compassion has been studied and practiced for hundreds of years. He has been recognized as the reincarnation of Gendu Nyadrak, the 72nd abbot of Ganden Monastery, and he continues his previous life's work today. Tibetan and Royal Mongolian heritage, his unique background of having been brought up in Taiwan and the United States, has given him a perspective of life that distinguishes him from other spiritual teachers. Auspicious signs surrounding his birth indicated the arrival of a very special being, but due to difficult circumstances, he was given away to foster families from a very young age. Since his earliest childhood, he has always had a strong attraction to Buddhism and spiritual practice. However, this was forbidden by his foster parents, who had other plans for him, and often brutally punished him for this unusual passion. Despite the abandonment, violence and abuse he suffered throughout his childhood, His Eminence transcended it all to radiate an incredibly positive outlook today. He has drawn upon every difficult experience to emerge stronger and wiser. We have much to learn from him. His Eminence shows us how to take responsibility for our own happiness and peace of mind. To counter our daily anguish, stress and confusion, he brings us healing and transformational solutions with humor, patience, clarity and care. It is these qualities which he embodies that has propelled the growth of the Kechara organization. Kechara is a non-profit organization consisting of many diverse departments, each conceptualized and inspired by His Eminence. As Kechara's founder and spiritual guide, His Eminence is closely involved in all departments, guiding each one to their fullest potential to bring the most benefit to society. Each department represents a different facet of his unending compassion and provides a solution to the many varied problems of modern society. For example, Rinpoche's personal experience of homelessness as a teenager led him to create the community action group Kechara Soup Kitchen, which has been providing food to the homeless and urban poor since 2006. Its bigger vision is to integrate its homeless clients back into society with meaningful employment, a roof over their heads, and a chance to regain their dignity. Another project close to His Eminence's heart is the Kechara Animal Sanctuary, which will be a shelter for abused and abandoned animals. From young, His Eminence has always loved animals, and this love has also translated into his strong endorsement of vegetarianism, leading to the opening of the vegetarian restaurant Kechara Oasis. His Eminence also created Kechara Saraswati Arts, the first Himalayan art studio in Southeast Asia, which offers activities such as painting, beadwork and sculpture. These creative arts are therapeutic for the relief of stress and gives everyone the opportunity to relax, unwind and learn new skills. Through learning, we gain wisdom. With wisdom, we are equipped to make better decisions and improve our lives. To this end, books of His Eminence's inspirational teachings are produced by Kechara Media and Publications to share modern and practical methods for gaining peace. Through these and other dynamic projects, Kechara continues to grow at a phenomenal rate. This drives us closer to realizing His Eminence's vision of an oasis of tranquility in the hills of Malaysia, Kechara World Peace Centre. Here, holistic healing therapies such as acupuncture, Ayurveda, and traditional treatments will be available for all. Activities such as yoga, Tai Chi, and meditation will restore balance to our mind, body, and spirit, while graduated programs will show us how to counter stress and face life's daily challenges. We will learn how to heal ourselves and gain what we have been searching for, inner and outer peace. This is His Eminence Tsem Tulku Rinpoche's vision to create a legacy that will benefit many. Dedicated to Malaysia and the Malaysian government, Kechara World Peace Centre will be a tourist destination, an institution for learning, a place of holistic healing, and a monument to world peace.
Alone, most of you cannot do it. Combined, we can do it. Alone, I cannot. You alone cannot. We combine our energies to do. So whoever you are, whatever you are, get involved with KWPC. Get involved with this project.